Hello dear students, welcome back to this session. In this session, I will tell you practically how to perform the programs of MSW logo on your mobile phone. The requirement to perform the practical of MSW logo is an Android phone and active internet connection. So without any further dues, let us start the video. First of all, you have to open the Google Chrome browser. So I have my Google Chrome in a Google folder which is over here. I will select the Google folder and now I will select Chrome browser. This is my Chrome browser. So I will select the Chrome browser. Here at the address bar you have to type the address of the website, or simply you can type the keywords. Here you can type the keywords. Okay, so I will type the keywords MSW logo online. Okay, so you can see the third keyword is the MSW logo online. Simply select that option. I will select that option. Now the second link you can click or tap. You have to tap the second link, online logo transom. Fine. So I have selected online logo transom. The screen will appear and it look like this. Okay, let me zoom in a little bit so that you can see. Now in this screen, this is your drawing area. This entire is your drawing area. This is your turtle. Okay, it is your turtle. It is not triangular in shape because we are doing the online program. It is not that much triangular. This is your command input box, right? You have to type the commands over here. So let me type the commands that we have practiced in last session. I will type fd20. Okay, see the command fd20. What will happen after executing this command? The turtle will move 20 points forward. So let me click on the go button. You can see here is a go button. You have to do this or taps. So observe the result. Earlier the turtle was at this point, and after typing the command, after executing the command, turtle changed its position by 20 points. So one more example I will show you. Okay, so let me type fd15. Okay, see the result, fd15. Okay, now let us try different command, that is backward command. Now I want to take my turtle back. Okay, I want to take my turtle back. What I will do, I will type the bk command. The turtle has been moved by 15 points, so I will take it back by 15 points. So bk15. See this command, bk15. Let me execute this and see the result. Yes, the turtle has now moved backside, right? Again, if you want to move the turtle backside, then you can type bk, give another points, let's say 10, and press go button. Okay, the turtle again moved back by 10 points. Fine. Now let us see some different commands, that is cs command. Cs command is used to clear the entire screen. Okay, you can, this is your screen and this will be cleaned or cleared after typing cs command. Yes, right. So everything is now cleared. Fine. The remaining part we will cover in the coming sessions. So practice these commands and send me the screenshots. This will be your homework. Thank you very much. Bye. See you. Take care.